Hi and welcome back to my tarot videos. In this video I will show you another 5 card spread which gives indications about a certain situation. So as I said, we shall use 5 cards. So after I have shuffled the cards, I will begin with the first card that in this spread will be put here in the middle on the top of the spread. This card indicates the present situation. The next card will be put here on the second row in the middle, and this card indicates the influences, the context, the situation, the events that influence the situation. The next card, the third card, will be put here on the lowest row, and this card deals with the hidden or unconscious influences. The fourth card, this one, will be put on the second row here, and this card indicates the future influences that influence the situation. And the last card is the card that indicates the outcome of the situation. So as you can see, there are 5 cards and it is a relatively simple spread